What is up, Lowheat sneakerheads? I'm here again with some more Lowheat. Thank you all for anyone who's watching, returning. Thank you for returning, and thank you to everyone who subscribed who happens to be watching this video. If you're not subscribed, let's keep this wave going. Subscribe if you could. That would be super dope of you, because we're kind of on a wave here of new subscribers, and let's help me live the dream, live vicariously through me, help me somehow, some way become an unboxing YouTuber, which is crazy, right? That's crazy. Who actually can do that? So I am a fledgling unboxing YouTube sneakerhead, and been getting some love lately, and I appreciate it. So let's ride this wave, keep it going, because that would be wild, right? That would be wild if somehow I could spin this into some money or product. I don't know. Help me live the dream. Help me live the dream. I'm one of you. You're one of me. Anyways, I appreciate anyone who subscribes. And if you could, that would be great. It's real easy. Just click it. So today, as you see by the title and what I have in front of me, we have some Superstar 80s BAPE collaboration sneakers, size 11.5. And right away, this box is a thick boy. This is one of the more premium boxes I've ever received. This is built like a tank. This is crazy. I got these, I think, off Ama Manier, a raffle, so shouts to them. They've been good to me lately with those Jordan 3s. Look at this box. You can't tell, but look at it's a thick boy. Damn. All right, here's the grand unveiling. Let's take this in. Take a moment. We got the signature Camo bathing ape print right there. Ooh, what's that? Oh, that's the shell toe diagram and design. Pretty cool. Pretty dope. This box is amazing. I spent a lot of money on this box manufacturing this. Okay, we got the designed on the tissue paper, the same Camo design. Whoa. All right. Okay. All right. These are better in hand. I think more often than not, people say that, but sorry if you can hear my cat going crazy. But sometimes, they're not great quality and they're not as good in hand. I could cite some examples with Jordans with that. Jordan 1s that I was hyped to get, and then I got them in hand. I'm like, these aren't as great as I thought they would be. These are pretty sick. I don't know if you can tell, but I don't know what this is. Synthetic? Maybe it says on the thing. You guys might know. But you got the lace lock there at the bottom. The BAPE grill. You got some embossed. All right, we're back. Sorry, ran out of memory on my phone. Had to clear some space. YouTube problems. Anyways, and while I was stopped, I looked this up. It is leather, but it's this super smooth, dyed leather, with a print on it, with the bathing ape print on it. So, anyways. Really interesting. Okay, I was talking about the tongue here. As you see it, really squishy insole with the bathing ape logo, Bapesta on the back heel, and then you got the BAPE signature BAPE star lightning bolt on the outside, bathing ape there underneath, and then you got the 3 stripes on the inside, the classic 3 stripes. So this is definitely a pair of Lowheat. These are available for under $200. Retail was $150 on them. Definitely Lowheat. That was the right shoe, and then it's flipped on the left shoe. So the stripes are on the outside on the left shoe, and the BAPE logo on the inside. And then you got Adidas on this left shoe. Anyways, I'll get back to that in a second. Definitely Lowheat. Didn't need these, but I've never owned a pair of Superstars, and back in like when I was younger, middle school, really wanted a pair of Superstars. Thought they were dope. Thought they were sick, but ended up always getting like Sambas and stuff. And these are, these were intended for basketball. So there were some more basketball chunkier versions of Superstars back in the day, and I just never got around to buying a pair. And so I've always kind of wanted them for nostalgia factor. Also, I always thought they were dope, but again, just kind of went the way of either trainers, Adidas trainers and runners, or Sambas, because I was a big soccer player growing up. These are definitely narrow. You can kind of tell they have a narrower profile, not super chunky, real slick. And the right side is the more BAPE themed shoe. The right shoe is the more BAPE themed with the BAPE logo. It's all over BAPE branding. And then the right side is definitely more the Adidas one with stripes on the outside, Adidas logo there on the insole. Still got the BAPE jewel on both laces, and you still got the BAPE logo here, but it's just on the inside. So overall, and it comes with a different pair of laces that you can see, black. But I like the white. The white's clean, definitely pops against that camo. So I'm not a huge BAPE head, but, I like what Nigo's work. And, I like some Adidas shoes. You've seen me unbox them. I'm wearing the Sean Witherspoon ZX series right there. But this I just thought was a perfect opportunity to finally cop a pair of Superstars because they're unique. They've definitely done BAPE Superstars in the past. You can look them up. This isn't the first BAPE Superstar. There's been plenty of different models. But I thought these were really unique looking, especially with where you get the best of both worlds. You get the classic 3 stripes, and then you get the classic Bapesta kind of lightning bolt, lightning star. So I thought these were just really unique. And then in hand, they're very clean, very sleek. These would go great with a pair of like black joggers or Adidas training pants. Go well with maybe some shorts on a summer day. Really, these are impressive in hand. If you're any sort of BAPE fan or Adidas Superstar fan or both, like myself, I would get these. They're under 200. 150 was retail. Like you can get these. Well, maybe taxes and fees and stuff, it might creep over 200. But nowadays it's hard to get hype shoes. So the people apparently don't love these. I didn't think these would like be super hot or hyped or anything. Not at all. But I didn't. Nah, this is about right. I thought they would be at about just like a little over retail. So it's not a big surprise to me. But again, I think this was a good purchase, good pickup for me, good for my collection. I don't have any Bapestas, and I don't have any Superstars. And now 2 birds with 1 stone. So now I have a pair of BAPE shoes, and I have a classic silhouette from Adidas. They made Superstars like, God, I don't know, a long time ago. They became popular in the 80s and definitely were popular in the 90s, Run DMC, etc. But like this silhouette's been around for Adidas forever. So really cool. And then BAPE came out in the 90s. And just don't have a ton of BAPE stuff, so it's cool to add something. The camo might be a little dying fad, but camo BAPE for any BAPE fans will always be a thing. And I just think, I don't know, especially these might be a little, I'm wearing loud shoes right now, but these might be a little loud for some people, but I think you just tone it down on top if you want. That's how you style it, is you wear these on the foot, catch the eye, super clean, and then you wear something a little bit more subdued on top. Tech wear, I don't know. But again, really interesting like material there. That's why I don't know if it comes across in the video, but that's the most interesting part about this to me. You got soft leather inside, and here I forgot on the laces, the eglets, bathing ape, probably in Japanese there. Yeah, bathing ape in English. Is this interesting material. So that's what I find really interesting about these. I think these are better in hand than like the pictures give them credit for. So again, my suggestion is cop if you're on the fence. Not too expensive. Maybe they'll go down a bit. You could hold off, but I feel like the price is kind of settled on these. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like Superstars? Are you a Superstar fan? Are you Bapesta fans? Are you both? Are you BAPE fans? And then what do you think about these? Was this a good pickup? A good low heat pickup? I'm trying, like, if you watch my videos, please subscribe. If you aren't subscribed, if you watch my videos, you know I'm trying to avoid buying too much low heat. But I thought this was a missing point in my collection, and I got 2 for 1 now. Now I have a pair of Bapes and a pair of Superstars. So, in my opinion, this wasn't expanding my shoes too much, because instead of getting two pairs, I got 1. So look at that, huh? Big brain purchase. All right, I'll be back. Oh yeah, subscribe, because I'm gonna get that Stingwater box here pretty quick, and you'll want to see that. If you're still watching, you'll want to see that. So make sure you subscribe, hit your notifications. Peace.